In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off background apps on Android. So this process is straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. The first thing we need to do is open the settings app on our phone. Once you're on the settings app, you have to navigate until you find the apps option. So I'm going to put it there. It says apps right over here. Tap on that. And then all you need to do from this page is find the app that you want to turn off background activity for. Now you do have to go in and set the background activity to off for each app that you want. So let's just say this app right at the top, I want to turn off background activity for. So I just selected it, then I'm going to scroll down and then I'm going to tap on the battery option there. And there it says allow background activity. All we need to do is toggle that down. And now background activity is off for that app. Like I said, if you want it off for certain apps or all of your apps, unfortunately you have to go in and do it for every single app. So let me go into another one, go to battery and then turn off for that. And that is the process of how you do it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.